behind me is a 1975 Ford F-250. We're gonna be spraying it in a Hatteras green. We've already masked off the tops here. We're gonna be spraying that with the green and this far back part. We've already got that prepared. And as you can see, we've masked the top because we're gonna be spraying that in a white. So we're gonna be doing the white cab top, these lower sections green, and we're gonna do the underside of the hood. We're gonna make this hood Hatteras green. We've already done some behind the scenes. We've sprayed the top white, we've bedlinered the bed, we've also sprayed engine bay details in that Hatteras greens. We already know that metallic flake is gonna come out fantastic. I've cleaned up the whole truck with glass cleaner probably 3 times to be safe. We hit everything with a gray scuff pad beforehand, cleaned it up, body's really straight. Next, I'm gonna go over everything with the tack cloth, and then I'm gonna wet the floors since we're doing this in the shop. We don't want dust to kick up. I know it's a windy day today, so stay tuned. And then we're gonna spray some sealer before we hit our base coat. So let's do it.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
I played it extra safe, so I hit everything with a wax and grease remover. I followed that up with the Sprayway glass cleaner over all of the areas that are gonna get paint. And then I also did a tack cloth or a tack rag, just went over everything. You know, sometimes you'll get like little dust particles and nibs, stuff that you'll be missing. Let's spray some white on this cap. I'm super excited. Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. I picked it up at Harbor Freight. I've used a lot of different brands. Raptor is one of my favorites. Herculiner, and also picked up this paint surface kit. So it's gonna have the roller. Me personally, that's the way that I prefer applying these things. I like the roll-on method. This stuff is probably gonna be pretty messy, which is why I masked everything up. But I don't want to be hit with this black. So I'm going to get to rolling and see what happens. Here is one coat of the stuff. I used probably a quarter of this gallon. So really not a lot, but I'm going to give it another coat, just to make sure that it's nice and smooth every single area. But I'm pretty happy with it. It's not like a super chunky texture, so that kind of threw me off a little bit like some of these other ones are. But it has that look that I've been looking for.
face I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul. on my own for a while, let them say I'm doing better. I've been broken, but now I'm going. I've been on the road of I made it through. It's like I'm chasing the sun, and all my fears are on the run. Can take my freedom, now you can take my freedom. It's like I'm walking on water, and all the waves don't even bother. This is my kingdom, and you can take my freedom. It's like I'm chasing the sun, and all my fears are on the run. Can take my freedom, now you can take my freedom. It's like I'm walking on water, and all the waves don't even bother. This is my kingdom, and you can take my freedom.
Okay, people, you guys can see this paint is looking juicy. That's it. That's really the only way to describe this, right?
It's like I'm chasing the sun, and all my fears are on the run. Can take my freedom, now you can take my freedom. It's like I'm walking on water, and all the waves don't even bother. This is my kingdom, and you can take my freedom. It's like I'm chasing the sun, and all
Well, she's got a little bit of water on her now, but you guys can see the vision. We just threw on this cool stripe. But man, that paint came out good. Just ripped her up to the lake. You guys can see those cool Rancho shocks peeking out. Let me open it up, see if you guys can see. My mechanic was just telling me something anyway. Here is everything snapped back together. Got the cool door panels. Check out that nice white. Here she be with the nice rolled on bed. I do like that look. I think it's pretty clean. Walk down this side so you guys can see. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with how it came out, I gotta be honest. It's that 2-stage Hatteras green. Painting this truck behind me has been an absolute blast. If you guys are ready for another video, make sure to hit that subscribe button.